the man got information that the wife was involved in extramarital affairs in Abuja. That led to their separation, and the woman was no longer coming home from Abuja. But she was not divorced from the husband.
Okay.
She was not divorced. And Chidima had a man who was the younger brother of her father. Let me say uncle.
Okay.
Who put Chidima in University of Lagos? Who was paying Chidima's school fees? And that is Mr. Izu.
Hello friends, I welcome you back to this channel where we discuss the latest happenings with detailed information and videos to keep you updated. Please subscribe if you have not. Thank you very much. Now let's go right into the video and keep tuned to the end.
Especially Chief A.B. Thomas on the part of the wife. Some are even alleging that the wife was also instrumental to all of these arrangements in collusion or collaboration with his
I will explain without going too much into other areas. You see, I keep telling people, no matter what we have, we should be satisfied. Our African concept of marriage is the man and woman living together. But now, in this modern day, people think that they are trying to make more money. The wife stays far, the man stays far. I can tell you straight away, a man can still be infidel or involve himself in infidelity, even when the woman is beside him.
So there's no justification for saying there's nothing wrong with
there's justification.
What's the justification? If a man can display infidelity under the very nose and eyes of his wife.
But it becomes very easy. The latitude becomes unlimited when both the man and the woman are not living together.
Okay.
The man is back to his bachelor life. he's back to his bachelor lifestyle. As at the time this incident happened, Mrs. Brenda Ataga was not in Lagos.
Because of her job. Yeah.
The man left home on Sunday. She has been in Abuja. For many years now, there has been the fact that the husband and Brenda have had a strange relationship.
Okay.
Right from when she joined NNPC. Right now, she's the national coordinator of the offshore, upstream and downstream
LPG.
LPG.
Yeah. That's
she is. So you can imagine she's occupying a very high level
position
in Abuja. But the story is that the man and the wife, the man got information that the wife was involved in extramarital affairs in Abuja. That led to their separation, and the woman was no longer coming home from Abuja. But she was not divorced from the husband.
Okay.
She was not divorced. And Chidima had a man who was the younger brother of her father. Let me say uncle.
Okay.
Who put Chidima in University of Lagos? Who was paying Chidima's school fees? And that is Mr. Izu. Now the allegation and the pictures I have here, I have all the pictures here.
Okay.
Of Mr. Izu and Brenda kissing at different positions. I have all of them in my phone.
Yeah, it's there in the social media space. Yeah, it's there in the social media.
I have all of them here. So Brenda was no longer hiding the fact that Ataga is my legal husband, but I'm no more interested in Ataga.
Yeah.
So she was free with Izu in Abuja. Now the point in December last year, when, because of the love affair between Mr. Izu and Mrs. Brenda Ataga, they now got to the point of saying, let us get married. And Brenda said, but I am still legally married. What do we do? And Izu was alleged to have come up with the idea. Why can't we get Mr. Ataga in a very uncompromising situation where we can record his sexual activity, since he has witnessed for fair complexioned, beautiful ladies. If we get that one, we will use that as the evidence before the court
to demand for divorce?
To demand for divorce.
Okay.
That his conduct is intolerable. And the question now was, who do we use in Lagos? And Izu was alleged to have said, I have a cousin, I am paying her school fees in Lagos. And that is Chidima. She's beautiful, she's seductive. All we need to do is get somebody to take her to a billionaire's party, because Ataga was a billionaire. That was how they took a friend of hers was got to take her. Initially, Chidima was said to have said, no, I don't want to get involved in this kind of thing. But the man was paying her school fees. And she was now taken to a party in Banana Island, where she was, you know how these guys arrange themselves.
Yeah.
They got her close to Izu. Izu, Ataga. Ataga being a normal human being. Even pastors these days fall to temptation. He saw Chidima beautiful. And I have pictures of Chidima here, even near the beach. What she was putting on. A scent will be tempted. So Ataga now went for Chidima, not knowing that Chidima was a bet. That was how the relationship started in January, without knowing that Chidima was planted against him to facilitate divorce in Abuja. And when Chidima was not delivering, when she was not delivering,
yeah,
no result, Izu stopped the school fees.
Okay.
And said, until you deliver evidence, I won't pay your school fees. So she could not go to school. It was at that moment, it was alleged that Izu told Chidima, get a place. I will send boys to bug
the place.
There will be hidden cameras, everything in that apartment. Make sure all these things are done before you bring in Ataga. So those things were done. She got there. After Ataga had paid, all those gadgets were all put there. And every activity they were doing will be recorded.
Okay. But Sebi Thomas, does this explains why the police authorities in Lagos have said that Chidima may not have been the only person involved in this matter?
Yes. In fact, they use the word and her cohorts. And her cohorts.
Okay.
They've gotten the point that she did not organize this herself. Chidima must have told them that, look, I didn't want to do this thing. I didn't even plan to kill this man. I was only carrying out a job to assist my uncle to get his girlfriend get a divorce, and they will marry. But at that point, after the whole bugging of the place, Chidima invited the man to say, you can now come.
Okay.
And the man walked in.
Okay, now